Honda and Acura EVs to gain Tesla Supercharger access this June 2025. Honda and Acura electric vehicles will soon be plugging into Tesla's Supercharger network, with approved NACS-CCS adapters rolling out to Prologue and ZDX owners in June 2025. This provides Honda and Acura EVs access to over 20,000 superchargers across the United States. Adapters ensure safety. Starting June 2025, Honda Prologue and Acura ZDX drivers can acquire a Honda-approved NACS-CCS DC fast charging adapter at authorized U.S. dealerships, with pricing set closer to launch. Tested for safety and compatibility, it's the only DC adapter that Honda recommends for its EVs at NACS stations, as noted in a press release. Ryan Hardy, Assistant Vice President of Sustainability Business Development at American Honda Motor Company, Inc., shared his thoughts on the matter. Adding Tesla Supercharger network access to the charging networks already available to our EV customers means industry-leading fast charging access for Honda and Acura EV drivers, he said. Tesla requires approved NACS adapters at its superchargers, and Honda strongly recommends that Prologue and ZDX owners use approved adapters. Honda also noted that damage caused by using unapproved adapters may not be covered by cars' limited warranties. Honda's big charging vision by 2030. Honda's not stopping at Tesla's network. By 2030, Prologue and ZDX owners are expected to tap roughly 100,000 DC fast charge points across North America, blending Tesla Superchargers with IONNA's new network, EVGO, and Electrify America. By the end of this decade, we strive to provide Honda and Acura EV drivers with the most convenient and easy charging at more than 100,000 charge points nationwide, helping people choose to purchase an EV for the many benefits of driving one, Hardy stated. Source: reposted and summarized from Simon Alvarez at teslarati.